Alright, so right now it's kind of dark under here, but getting ready to install this middle section, which I figured I could go center with the infinity symbol. Center there, and it should fit. I might have to do some minor modifications, but yeah. 3 lips, 2 polyurethanes, and they ripped off. This is the first time I'm trying this one. I ordered it twice and it's still a little bit long, so I guess I gotta do some modifications. So you know how that goes. So yeah, see y'all in a sec. So we somewhat mocked up. Give you guys an idea how it would look. My word of advice, which everybody should notice already, is a second pair of hands is always good. But yeah, let's continue. Alright guys, you know I had to get the side skirts to go ahead and complement the front splitter I got. Alright, so first off, it's actually not that bad, if I could say so. You know, compared to the polyurethane that I had, the polyurethane of course is way better. The look is a little bit aggressive compared to the polyurethane one I did have, which if you look below, there's a picture of how it looked with the polyurethane. Durability wise, I'd probably say it's a little bit better than the polyurethane. I mean, I've scraped probably once or twice with this, and compared to the polyurethane, I've scraped probably similar to how I scraped it here. And you know, the polyurethane actually cracked, which this one did. You can actually see the focus scrape marks, which isn't bad. Durability wise, like I said, if you look at my front bumper, it's on there, it's not going nowhere. I did have to, however, cut it, which it is universal, so alteration was necessary. I just feel like where I had to alter, I shouldn't have to alter. Guys, so along with the side skirts, I did get some rims that was actually freshly primed. Got a real good deal on them, so why not, right? Yeah, but stay tuned to the next video where you'll actually see the reveal of these rims. I will be painting them. I did have it up on my Instagram for voting, which is still up for votes, but I'm leaning towards one color. I think I'm finalizing on that color, but who knows, it could always change. But yeah,